What's up, guys? Today, I'm going to show you how to make a mini vacuum cleaner. Ingredients, materials are tape, motor, 8 batteries, and 250 milliliters bottle.
Listen to me. Bottle, motor, tape, how smarty pants.
Get out of the camera. I am the main character.
No, you are just a Lego minifigure. I'm the main character.
First, you have to cut the bottle into 3 parts. Then, you have to add the motor. Last, testing and improving. Maybe I am wrong.
All of the viewers, subscribe for the next video.